What's going on, world? This is your boy Suess Villiano, better known as Jamar Johnson when we're talking business. And if you're watching this video right now, that means you've downloaded the LIV8 FX app. So I want to say, first off, congratulations. You are now on your way to learning how to participate and take part in this $5.4 trillion a day industry. So over the next few minutes, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to explain the app and how it works for you so you get a better understanding, and the end result being you know how to use this app and you will start your Forex career and take it to the next level. So let's get started. All right. So right now we're on the Start Here tab, and you see what we have here is we have a few different tabs you can go through. What this does is this will actually explain to you who we are, what we do, and how you can get involved. So some people want to see, results and testimonials. So we have both of those down there where you can join our free Facebook group right here by just clicking on see daily testimonials, and then also you can check our trade results or you can contact us. So this first page is where you found this video, but also where you will find information about who we are and how you can join our membership. It's very simple. So if you haven't got started with us already, you want to make sure you click the join now to join our team to get started in the Forex market. So after the Start Here tab, after you got familiar with the information, you want to click on here, and then if you see the LIV8 FX tab, what that'll do is that'll take you to Facebook, our official Facebook page, where you can keep up to date with things we have going on. So that right there will take you to Facebook. If you have any questions or concerns, if you hit message us, it'll take you straight to our Facebook Messenger, and I don't want to wait for that to log in either. But message us, we'll take you to our messenger to contact us. LIV8 FX is how you'll see us and stay contacted with a lot of content that we post on our blog, on our Facebook fan page. FX Signal, this is one of the favorites. This is the reason why everybody is so excited about Forex, because they want to make money. Here in the FX Signal section, we actually will send signals, guys. Yes, we will actually send you trades, potential setups, and we're not promising. Here's the filler. Past profits do not guarantee future profits. So we are not in any shape or way guaranteeing you that you can make money. What we are simply doing is sending you guys potential setups for from our systems, our top traders in our team here. So you could potentially benefit just by paying attention to this signals segment of our app right here. We also have an Elevate Live. I don't want to hit that button, but if you do, actually I will hit it. It'll take you to a segment where we do live recordings. This is where you'll get live training. You'll get a lot of powerful information about the market. You'll see a lot of our partners, a lot of our traders and our trainers come on live. So be on the lookout for some notifications when we go live. Trade Room. This is where you can sign up to different trade room topics that might interest you. We're going to have some cryptocurrency popping up. We'll have a few different things on Forex, some binary. It's going to be a bunch of different chat rooms you'll be able to jump in and get some information. Tools is one of my favorite. Tools is where first you can sign up for the signals. So if you hit this button right here, it'll take you to our form to go ahead and fill out how to get started to get the LFX signals. Yes, this is a monthly fee. If you start right now, we have a special. It's usually $50 and then $25 a month, but right now it's just $25 to get our signals. So definitely take advantage of that. That's right there in the tools. But then we also have some trainings. Right now we're affiliated with a company called iMarkets Live. They have an amazing system. Their tools are tier none. Nobody comes anything close to it, and it's just in our personal preference. So what we wanted to do was we wanted to give you guys the advantage of the same tools we're using to really have success in Forex right now. So we added that there for you guys. We also have the harmonic scanner, the web analyzer, which are the tools that we use to really scalp the markets. Then we loaded it up with a bunch of different things: calendars, calculators. For those who don't have a broker or don't know how to get started with the broker, we have that information there, and as well as the MetaTrader 4. A bunch of different library. The library is going to actually grow all the time. You'll be able to come back here and you'll see tons of information, tons of value you guys can download right away and read just to grow yourself and then grow your business. One of my favorite things is the affiliate program. So within this app, we have an opportunity for you to make money. Yes, that's right. When you promote our app and people sign up, to use our FX signals or anything else we tend to add on in the future, you can get paid for it. So you can click that form there to find out. And then we got a bunch of how-to videos which explain how to do certain things in Forex, how to set up accounts and all that. And all of this stuff here on this tools page is going to constantly change and constantly update. So you want to be married to this section right here. It's very, very powerful. All right, scrolling on down, we have a tab here for FX news. And even though we had a section in the tools area, we made our own separate section just so you guys can see what's going on in the market. You can change this stuff any kind of way you want. I have a Mac, so I can download the app if I want it, but we're using it in our store. We also have a calendar section. This is where you can stay tuned for anything that's happening with LIV8 FX, any big events we have going on, any special meetings or webinars, or even, just some online information that we have that we think is powerful for you guys. We're going to drop that here in the calendar. So you definitely want to make sure you're popping in and out of the calendar and checking your push notifications. For inbox. Now, inbox is going to show up if you sign up. Now, guys, this is the most important part of this. Down here in my accounts, you actually have to go ahead and log in if you haven't already, but create an account. So once you do that, you'll get access to all of this stuff right here. Because if you don't have an account with us, let's see if I could just show you what it looked like. Well, actually, I can't. But if you don't have an account, you haven't created an account, we haven't approved you, you won't see the FX signals, you won't see trade room, and you won't see inbox or back office. So you won't have access to a lot of the powerful things unless you go ahead to my account and create one. So the first thing you want to do is create an account here. And you can use your simple email account and any password you want. Once you've done that, shoot us a message so we can approve you. Once we approved you, you'll get access to all of these tools here. And then last but not least, we have the back office that is directly connected to our partner and the tools that we are using here with iMarkets Live. So a lot of this stuff, guys, is simply for you to have all in one place. You don't have to go anywhere. Here you will find all the valuable information you'll need to learn about Forex, to get started. Or if you've already gotten started and you want to take it to the next level, we have the tools and the training and the system in place. Everything is here. So there's going to be a lot more we add. Stay tuned. Also, stay up to date. We will be changing, the layout of the web of the app as we go. So a lot of this stuff will be different when you log back in. So we'll try to make sure we keep updated videos as much as possible. But from this point on, man, it's just pretty much you putting the information. You putting the energy in to the information that we're going to provide. That's going to give you the best results. So I hope this works, and I'll see you guys at the top because the bottom's way too crowded. This is your boy Suess Villiano. Peace.